We'll be back. The handshake. The guy with the guitar.
How you doing, Elvis? You doing pretty good? Yeah. Can we see your two bottom teeth? Oh, you're so close to the camera. Let's see if we can see them. Oh, your tongue's in the way. Your tongue's in the way. You got the camera? You got the camera? You gonna eat it? You gonna eat it up? Ooh. Ha. Can you go? Ah! You've been enjoying making that noise lately. Ah! Oh, you got the camera. Ah! 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 Do one more. Ah! What do you think, Elvis? How about Dada? You think? Ooh, you're gonna get... No. Oh, you're so crafty. Let's look at your teeth. Oh. Can you see them? No. Too bad the best time you can see them is when you're crying. Oh, you rolled over. Watch out. Don't want to get too close to the edge. Oh, you fixed your problem. You didn't want to be on your tummy, you rolled over. You're so good at getting the camera, I can't even get close to you. Zoom. Looking at Daddy? Daddy! Ooh, there you are. Daddy! Elvis.